Adding location to Snapchat is an easy way to share your whereabouts, improving your snaps. Whether you're displaying a vacation spot, highlighting a local cafe, or promoting your business, Snapchat's location features make it easier to connect with friends and followers in a meaningful way. GadInsider's rounded up a guide on how to add locations on Snapchat, use them in stories and streaks. First off, open Snapchat and take a photo or video by tapping the capture button. Then tap the sticker icon, a square smiley face on the right side of the screen. In the sticker drawer, tap on the location sticker. A list of nearby places will appear. Scroll through and select the appropriate location. Once added, you can drag the location sticker to reposition it and pinch to resize it on your snap. After customizing your snap, tap the Send To button to share with friends or add it to your story. Snapchat also provides location-based filters, also known as geo-filters, which add a visual overlay to your snaps based on your current location. Take a photo or video on Snapchat, swipe left or right on the screen to browse through filters until you find one that displays your current location. If location-based filters aren't appearing, verify that location services are turned on for Snapchat in your device's settings. Once you've selected the desired filter, tap the Send To button to share your snap. Maintaining a streak includes sending snaps back and forth with a friend within a 24-hour period. Adding a location to your snap can make your interactions more engaging. Take your photo or video, use either the location sticker or a location filter as described before. Select the friend you have a streak with and send the snap. Sharing your location in a Snapchat story lets all your friends to view where you are. For this, take a photo or video, use the location sticker or swipe to a location filter, tap the Send To button and select My Story to share it with all your friends.